Hello, this is CT670. This is Facebook Marketing 101. This is a basic and general guide to Facebook marketing. This will go through many things. Here's the contents of this video. We will go through how to create a professional looking Facebook page. Then we will discuss what you should post on your Facebook page. Then we'll go through good examples of Facebook ads. Then we'll go through how to create an effective Facebook ad and later how to run and manage Facebook ads. Your Facebook page. Have a professional and detailed cover photo. A good example of this is having a picture of your business location and having the sign or logo of the business in the cover photo. Then have a professional profile photo. This profile photo should be your business logo. Then on the Facebook page, you should have a detailed description of your business. Then you should have a list of your contact information, your phone number, your email, your location, your website, your business hours. These should all be included in your Facebook page. What to post and when to post. Post quality content. Have high quality photos. Make professional videos. Ask a question in your caption. For example, if you're in the food industry, are you hungry? Have you been craving ... Make your content interesting to your customers and viewers. Don't post the same exact thing every day. You have 3 to 5 seconds to grab your customers' attention or they will scroll past your post. Let them know all the information they need to know in the caption or description of your photo. Engage with your followers. Like and reply to comments. Find people to model your products if you can. Here are some good examples of Facebook ads. In the first example, you can see that this tech company is offering a free gift. Free gifts or reduced prices will most likely bring more traffic to your business. Here for this restaurant, you can see that it has a nice and intriguing caption. And the photo is professional and it has the company's logo in the photo. In this last restaurant ad, we can see that it's a call to action. Call to action is when you ask your followers to do something and they're saying come on in. So by saying that, that's a call to action. Then they're stating their business hours. Then they're stating their location. They did all of that in one post ad. So there's a call to action, there's a business hours, and there's location. Then they have the picture of the location. How to create an effective Facebook ad. Have professional quality photos. If you can, hire a professional photographer to take your photos for your ad. Then have your business logo in the ad photo. Then have an intriguing caption. Here's some examples. Come try our new ... Check out our sale ... You won't want to miss ... We have everything you need for ... Then I would state the type of business you are. So we have everything you need for fishing. That would be a good example if you're a fishing goods business. Then for restaurants, are you hungry? Or have you been craving ... So maybe a good example of that is, have you been craving ribs ... Well, stop on in. That's a good example. Then tag your location in your post. Then mention your business hours in your post. These are good ways to make an effective Facebook ad. How to manage and create Facebook ads. Go to any post on your Facebook page and click Boost. Next, you're going to need to set the target audience and your budget for the ad. Set your target audiences, their age, their location, their preferred gender, and their preferred interests. These are all preferred. So you could choose if you want to target males or females, or you could target both, which is good. Targeting both is good. You can target the location. This is very important because if you're a local business, you're not going to want to target people out of your local range. Like if you're in Las Vegas, you're going to want to target people in Las Vegas, especially if you're a local restaurant. You're not going to want to target people in California, for example. Then set the duration and budget. So you can do ads for really cheap for $1 a day. That's what I do sometimes. And there's a 4-day minimum. So if you do $150 a day, $1.50 a day, that's $6 for 4 days. Then your estimated reach is the estimated people who will see your ad. So it could be 500 to 1,700 people like in this picture, or it could be way more. It all just depends. Now we are on the final steps. After that, you're going to select your method of payment. You can do PayPal, or you can do credit or debit card. Then, after that, you click Boost. Then, wait for your ad to be approved by Facebook staff. After that, then you can see who is viewing your ad from their age to their gender. So let's say you can see who is viewing your ad from ages 18 to 24 and what gender there are. So you can choose specific age ranges and specific genders. Then there's cost per purchase. That's if you're selling something. That's the total ad budget divided by the amount of purchases. Then there's cost per engagement. That's the total ad budget divided by the amount of engagement your post has. Finally, we can see our results. We can see the engagement, the cost per engagement, the people reached, the photo clicks, our audience's age, gender, and percentages, and the total ad budget that has been spent. So we've spent $1.28 on this ad. The amount of people who engaged with the post are 26 people. The people reached is 1,407. So the cost per engagement is 5 cents. Then our photo clicks is 15. So 62.5% of the people who viewed our ad were women. Then 37.5% of our viewers were men. Then the highest amount in the age range of the amount of viewers we had were 35 to 44 in women. So women ages 35 to 44 were our highest ad viewers.